I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Steve, also known as Carcass Mangler, came up with a good suggestion. He said, you know, when you're picking up stuff off the floor and things, little magnetic pieces, little bits of metal, and you're using a magnet, good thing to do is to wrap the magnet in a piece of plastic, and then you can pick up the stuff, then take the plastic off, and the magnet comes away perfectly clean. And I thought, great idea. Saves a lot of little slivers in your fingers. So, let's give it a shot. Here's a magnet. Still got some bits and pieces on it. Clean those off using this handy dandy old pillowcase, which is a backdrop for some of the videos. Now, Steve said wrap it in plastic, and I had a brilliant idea. I thought, you know, I keep baggies down here for storage. I put things in the baggies and label them so I know what they are. So, we're going to use a baggie to pick up some of these nibbler fish hooks. Then I take the stuff and leave it on the magnet, and since I had the baggie inverted, when I pull the magnet away, now I have a baggie full of little staples. Except for these two that managed to escape. One there. Oh, that's just glue. Pretty cool. And I missed a couple, so I just stuck the magnet to the side of the bag and pulled it off. Great idea, Steve. Now, I used to work in a plant that used screw machines. And the screw machines made a lot of chips. And they had a little thing like this. And when I saw one of these at Tractor Supply, I said, I want it. Because it lets you pick up chips and drop them, which is kind of the idea Steve had, and I had forgotten about having this because it was out in the garage from the last time I picked up junk. So, thanks for reminding me of this thing, and together we came up with a really good way to not only pick up junk, but store it. If, like Steve, any of you have a suggestion for a new video, or just an idea that you'd like to see tried, drop a note in the comments. I'm happy to give it a shot. And I'm working on the saw. Saw video of all the saws that I have. That requires some digging, so that'll be a little bit of time. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.